Let's install the UserWay Accessibility app directly from the Shopify App Store. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and configure the UserWay widget through Shopify. Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type UserWay. Select UserWay Website Accessibility. Click on Install App. And then Install App. This is probably your first interaction with the UserWay widget. You will now receive a welcome email with your UserWay username, password, and code. In case you have already set up an account, you'll already have those available to you. You have installed the free version. This is the default installation. This version of the widget is what we call User Trigger Enhancement. You can also choose to purchase our robust AI-powered accessibility widget, the path to full ADA and WCAG compliance for your site. To go ahead and make this purchase, click on the green Upgrade Now button. Now scroll down past the Configure Your UserWay widget headline and click on the On-Off toggle to enable the widget. Below, you can select the icon type, color, size, and the position of your icon. Remember to click Save Your Settings. If you need an accessibility statement, scroll back up. You'll see a long blue and white menu bar. It looks like a long oval-ended bar. Click on the Accessibility Statement tab. Fill in your details there and then click on Generate My Accessibility Statement. Check your email, you've just received your statement. Preview the site to make sure it all works correctly and that everything is properly installed. On the left menu navigation panel, you'll see an eye icon next to the words Online Store. This is the preview. Click it and the site will open.